Namaskar. We will know about files in eOffice file management system in this video. We saw till now various setups, receipts, and now came to our main topic file. The name is given as e-file as we know. So let us see screen where I already logged in as assistant grade AG17. By default, file inbox is opened as in front of us. We saw in receipt video that receipt clerk of our office received letter and sent the receipt to us through system. It may happen that letter came to collectorate instead of our office, and office superintendent of collectorate may send us the receipt to our office. In both cases, it will show in receipt inbox that you know very well. So in this video, we'll go in a different way. I'm taking an example to understand it better. I have taken 2014 parliamentary elections order in which I was made as a nodal officer for computerization. So I took one order. uh, this is the order in which operator team was formed under me for executing different works. Letter is in Hindi, so that those who cannot read, not to worry, just hear carefully what I'm saying. So as a nodal officer computerization, I have operators, but I need some hardwares, computer, etc. In this demo, I will ask for hardware arrangements from some departments and I will put the request to collector sir. This letter may came to me from election office as a receipt in my office, or it may came as a hard copy by hand to me. In both cases, what will happen, we'll see in this demo for better understanding. So this is the order. This is just a order as happens in our offices in election time in collectorate particularly. So it's a general order. Operator names and their departments are mentioned. So we'll go to our login now. So close the file tab and coming to receipt tab for seeing first case where I received order through eOffice as a receipt. So let it get opened. Yeah, see, this is written subject of same order in Hindi. Click on receipt number. See, the same order will come. See, on right side, details are there. All you know very well. You can increase size from plus sign here or click here to open in complete screen. This plus sign you can press or you can click on it to see the complete screen like this. Okay. Now I need to put a file to raise requirement of hardware. For that, I can directly click on this above option, put in a file, or can go to file tab. We'll see that also. First try put in a file. So click on it, let it open. It will show all files at our level here. If this is related to these files, we can choose it. Else, go to create file. Then non-SFS. Non-SFS is not important for you, but for knowledge that all letters whose headers we decide, like for agriculture office, agriculture slash establishment slash etc etc, such type of files are called as non-SFS. It if fixed pattern is there and we cannot change it, then it is called as SFS. Okay, clicking on non-SFS, so one pop-up will come. Let it come. Yeah, we need to select header, that is file number. Select file number, put description of subject and some basic details, and we'll click on below continue working button and new file number will get generated. This is one option to put file. I'm closing it to show other option to do the same. Both places same process to follow, no differences there. My purpose is to show the all the possible options. So we'll go to now file tab in left panel. Here create new link, which will allow us to create new file. If we'll click on it, same pop-up will come up. Let it get open. Because of internet speed, it is getting delayed, otherwise it is very fast. Let it get open. So this is useful when we have no reference and want to create new file for some new purpose. Okay, this is same pop-up screen has come. Let me randomly put some info. It is written GAD in demo, so options will come accordingly. Later, as per district requirement options, the options will be available as per our need. So establishment, then then I will take something I should take here. Okay. In description, I copied the subject, so just pasted it, that it is a related to hardware requirements. File number and description is mandatory, others are non-mandatory. Still, main category selecting general. In remarks, I will write urgent. Urgent is enough. I'll write urgent only. Okay. Now references can also be given. Click on then continue working. So I am clicking on continue working button below. One pop-up will show up, a message that file number will be generated and you will not be able to change it. Do you want to proceed? Then click on OK. May cancel if any change required. So clicking OK here. See, this screen has come with two colors. Left green side will work as a note sheet and right white side will be for any communication attachments, references and such type of informations. Here upside will come, option of edit is there, right? It is like we can edit except file number, like we can edit subject if something needs to be changed. Let's see what is now. See what is below. Add just a second. Yeah, let's see what is this add green note and add yellow note. Yellow note can be seen as draft, it is not a final. You can edit it, can discuss with officials before finalizing and then do editing. Changes can be done in green note also, but by mistake if it is sent, it cannot be reverted back. In yellow note, it is not allow you to send until you confirm that are you sure, and then it will change the draft to green note and then you can send it to anyone. We will start with a yellow note to understand both yellow note and green note better. So the if I will click on yellow note, it will come in yellow color. So before going to green note and finalizing, let's see TOC. What is this? First we will see this part also, then we'll go to yellow note. TOC full form is table of contents. On clicking this, we show all the details of what and all files or receipts attachments are there. List of attachments and issues. If order would have come as a receipt through e-office, then I can do attachment of receipt from here also. So have option for initiating file and attaching receipt later. So there is a attach button. We can select the files and click on attach button. It will work. No issues in that, right? So now we'll come to the left part, that is note sheet part. We'll write our note sheet first and do attachment later, so clear understanding will be there. So I clicked on yellow note. See, it is just like Microsoft Word file. We can directly type here like this, like I'm typing. It is in Hindi language, not to worry, it is just typing, right? No problem in it. If you like to type as we do as now Word files separately and then copy from there and paste here, it will work fine if you are comfortable with that. So I'm just created on separate Word file, I copy that and I will paste here. So I have pasted simply. Okay, we can read here. Above we have all the options there like bold, italic and other settings option, formats, colors, line height, font size, etc as we see in Word file. Fine. Let's reduce the size of this to 12 pixel because it is very looking odd. Now it is fine. If you feel this note sheet is final and can move to next official, then we can click on save button. I'm searching save button is above. Yeah, you can click on this save button, then it will show three options below here. Let come below. Yeah, here see three buttons are there: edit, discard and confirm. Edit for editing it, discard for kind of deletion, totally remove it, and confirm for yes, everything is final and will get converted to green note. Until we will not confirm, we will not move further. So we should click on it. Let's click on it. Now new pop-up for confirmation that you want to make yellow to change to green note or not. Clicking OK. See, converted to this green note that is coming in green color. Now see below, attach button is coming. I'm coming below. You will see a button here, this one. Yeah, using this we can attach anything with this note sheet which is related to this note sheet. Let me attach same file having order of operators for election duty under me. The attached file will help whom we are sending note sheet to understand what exactly is the order. So come down below. Let me come down. Yeah, then click on this attach button. Browse the file, search that file which we want to attach it, see file name which was attached will start showing up down here. Here see, it is given Lok Sabha election order 2014, right? And we can see the file again clicking on it. Now TOC attach button, click on this and new screen will show the receipts we are having at our level, and we can choose from here if we have not followed the way putting up a file on the receipt received as we saw in receipt demo video. So closing this screen for this demo as it is not needed right now. I just want to show the option. Okay, now I will close it. It is little bit hanging, so not an issue. Yeah, now next step is to send this note sheet to our higher authority. Where is this option? The option is above, that is send button. Let's click on this send. Send screen will come, which we have seen in earlier videos. Important is below all this, below this button is important, DSC sign and send button. If DSC is mapped to this account and inserted in your computer, this will show, otherwise only send button will come. We will see DSC one. Let me click on this DSC sign and send button so that you will see, we will see actually that all the Java configuration and signing is happening perfectly or not. So just click on it. Let me before show you that I feel on this screen that something we forgot to write, then coming back option is that never click on back on browser but click on correspondence above link, right? See, it came to the same place. Here I have not attached any order for hardware. Friends, you, because recorder is creating some problem, so my voice maybe not sync with the screen what you are seeing, but you may understand what I'm saying. What I did actually, I'm explaining here that I have not attached any order with this note sheet for signing from the higher authority. So I came back on the note sheet screen. Otherwise, I would have clicked on DSC sign and send button. No issue was there. But what I have, I am sending the note sheet. I have attached the order of operator, but the order of hardware to those departments from where I want to take computers, other hardwares, printers. So that order I need to attach with this note sheet, so that higher authority, if satisfied with the proposal, he will sign on the order of hardware procurement from those departments, right? So I came back, I clicked on the correspondence, this correspondence button, instead of clicking on this back button that I showed there. But as my voice and my audio and the video was not sync, so something some people may get confused, so I'm clearing that doubt here. So what I just want to say here, that as a because time limitation also is there for the video recorder, so we'll cover the next part of the video where we'll attach one order with this note sheet, and we'll click on DSC sign and send button, and we'll see that what higher authority have options. He can reject the proposal, he can accept the proposal and sign on it, and different things we will see in the next video, which will clear all the doubts related to e-file. For the next video, I have done a good preparation there, because almost if you'll see the recording of time, starting time and end time, the around it took me around 4 to 5 hours to prepare that video, but I have covered the same topic in 15 to 20 minutes. So that will be the core of the e-office file management system. For this video particularly, I am ending it here. We will see the part which we are left here in the next video. Thank you friends, thanks a lot.